Hello, Chris over at Silver Arrow Service. We have a 2009 Ford Fusion here with a drivability and idling issue. My first hunch was that it was going to be the mass airflow sensor. So the first thing that I did was disconnected the mass airflow sensor, and the car drives and idles fine now. After that test, I hooked up our Autel scan tool and discovered that the mass airflow sensor is not giving the ECU any reading, so thus we have a bad mass airflow sensor. Replace the mass airflow sensor on this car. It's quick and easy. We got 2 Phillips head screws right here. And your sensor comes right out. We have our new mass airflow sensor right here. So we're just gonna install it in the same orientation once again and install our screws. And plug our sensor back in. We got our new mass airflow installed and it's running and idling properly now. If you guys need your car service, come call us at 603-566-2075 or contact us online at silverarrowservice.com.